Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to enable two-factor authentication 2FA on Fortnite for PlayStation 5 in 2025. Let's jump right in. Start by opening a web browser on your phone and computer and searching for epicgames.com. Once you're on the Epic Games website, navigate to the top right corner and click on the sign in button. Now, sign in to the Epic Games account that you use to play Fortnite on your PS5. If you don't already have an Epic Games account, simply click on the PlayStation logo to log in using your PlayStation credentials. After signing in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select account from the drop down menu. Next, go to the password and security section to your account. Scroll all the way down to the two-factor authentication options. Here you will see three methods to enable 2FA. Using an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, setting up with your email, using your phone number. Choose the method that works best for you and complete the setup. And that is it. Enabling 2FA is a great way to keep your Fortnite account secure on your PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching.